start by gathering the pre-installed plumbing connections and the lighting cords from inside the fountain basin. While this plumbing diverter is adjustable, we do recommend keeping both tubings set to full strength with the middle setting fully turned to the off position. Check that the flow adjuster on the pump is set to full strength and the output is fully seated into the pump body. Fully and securely attach the pump to the plumbing connection and carefully lift the entire connection back inside the pump body, making sure that that pump goes down to the very bottom of the basin and that all tubing is straight with no bends or kinks. Your lighting connections are intended to be outside of the water basin. You'll attach the end to your transformer or power supply, making sure that connection is also tight. Gather all your cords into the groove notch and use your access door, making sure that that notch corresponds and slides into place. Fill with water and plug your cords into a properly grounded outdoor receptacle.